Welcome! I'm glad you dropped by. This is Safari Sam, and I'm going to show you how to write letters. Are you ready to learn how to write another letter? Animal letters help us write letters correctly. Now, if you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out our Learning to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free writing letter template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. You heard me right. You heard me right. A letter can start almost anywhere except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter R. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase r is? Right, perfect. It is a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it is what we use most when we write. When we write the letters, we do it 2 times. The first time is with the dotted lines, and the second time is without the dotted lines. I can't wait to do the letter R. Do you have your paper so that you can practice with me? I hope you do. So here we go. Get your pencil, get ready, because here we go. All right, when I start the uppercase R, I'm going to start it at the top. Do we start letters from the bottom? No, no letter starts at the bottom. They can start almost anywhere else, but never from the bottom. So we're at the top. Do you have your pencil there? And we go straight down. Here we go, straight down. We're going all the way to the bottom. It seems like we do this stroke a lot. When we get to the bottom, we stop. And then I come back to the top and I go over and around and back to the line and stop, and then I'm going to go down diagonally to the bottom line. There is my uppercase R. Did you guys do it? I bet yours looks really nice. Okay, let's do the lowercase r. With the lowercase r, I'm going to start in the middle line and I'm going to go straight down. Is your pencil there? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to go straight down. And when I get to the bottom, I'm going to stop, pick up my pen, and then come just about right here. And then we're going to do a round top. Here we go. Here's our round top. And then I'm going to stop. And there is our lowercase r. Great job. How do your letters look? I bet they're awesome. Okay. All right, get ready. We're going to do it without the dotted lines. I'm erasing mine. While I'm doing that, get ready to write yours on your lines that I gave to you on your template. Okay, here we go. Remember, when we do the uppercase R, where do we start? That's right, at the top. And then we go straight down. Are you guys ready? Do you have your pencil ready? Here we go. All the way down. And then I stop. Did you stop? Okay, and then I go back to the top and I go over and around and back to the line. I don't stop there. I have to do diagonal line down. And there is our uppercase R. Whoa! Okay, lowercase r. Where do I start? Yes, right at the bottom. No! I don't start at the bottom. I don't start letters at the bottom. I can start them almost anywhere except from the bottom. In this case, I'm going to start right here in the middle line. And I'm going to go down. Do you have your pencil ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go down. And when I go down, I stop at the bottom line. And then I come just about right here. And then I do a round top. I don't go down. I just do the round top and then I stop. When we start our letters in the right place, wow, our letters look really nice. You can do this all the time. All you have to do is practice. And that's why you have your paper. Practice as much as you want. Well, I had so much fun doing the letter R, and I hope you come back next time to do another letter. We'll see you next time. Bye.